Okay, hello everybody.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Felix.
Shy. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, just feel free to call me Felix. My name is Félix Ngindu Kasanganai, originally from the Democratic Republic of Congo, but a British naturalized, living for almost 22 years in England. Yeah, I am a professional musician. Been playing music at the age of 5, I can say 4 or 5 years old. I started in the Catholic Church, where my parents they brought me to play congas in the service, the choir. It's like that in the city I was playing drum kit with kids, a small group. It's like that I integrated. I fell in love with the drum kit and percussion, tumba. And at the age of 11, I was already singing in front of big artists, traveling around the world, start performing, playing, and until I arrived in the UK. But I want just to give you an idea. Today, I will be delivering presents in this Congolese drumming workshop. As I've been born in Congo, I grew up with this music, so I want to give you a background, a little bit of this music. This music came from Cuba a long time ago. You know, that time of slavery, then people they went in Cuba as well, but they had this music, and they brought us this music by Belgium people. When time of King Leopold, Congo was known as Zaire, that time, long time ago. They broadcast this Cuban music in Congo, so we fell in love with that. Cuban and Congolese tradition, this created a new music called rumba. So today I will be showing you how to play rumba, Congolese music, and soukous. Rumba was quite kind of slow rhythm. After many years, our artists with the development changed this rhythm, created a rhythm called soukous. So today we'll be learning rumba and soukous. So I will be just showing you a couple of techniques where you can just play, and drum is very easy. This drum is called djembe. Originally it's made with goat skin and mango tree. My drum is made with fiberglass skin, and you know, it's for vegetarian people, that's meat, so everyone can play, and it's waterproof as well, so you can play it even to raining. So I use this drum to play everything. I'm a drummer as well. I play drum kit. I sing and perform with many different artists in the world. I've been doing world tour many times, so I'm very, very happy, and thank you very much for coming. This is one drum for you. That was for you. Okay, good. And the song you'll be learning today to play on the drum is one of my songs, which I composed for my master. It's rumba, and then it's going soukous. This song is called Bokila. Bokila, that means the chase. What I'm really saying this is, they went to the chase, they left me home, and then they went forever, they never come. Quickly, to start, I would like to ask, has anyone played drums before?
Yeah.
Did you?
I have done, yeah. Well, I do.
Is any drummer here? Play drum?
Well, yeah, I am. Yeah.
I see. I felt it. It's why I have to ask all the time. This is a drum kit system that I use it as a drum kit. I use this djembe to accompany Congolese style. Okay, we're gonna try something on this drum. In the middle, we have a bass sound. Behind like this, you can try. Play after me. I think I would like to show you normal how to handle it. You see like this, and yeah. No, this one must be down, and you handle it with your leg like this. You too as well. Yeah, that's it. Okay, you play after me. Yeah. Let's try again. Sound very good, great, you can hear that. And on the top we have the sound called medium. So you use your half hand, try to do that. If your finger free, you see that bit? I'm not doing like this, I'm not pushing, but I'm playing. Fantastic, that's great. Sometimes I use this. You know, I can do anything with my finger. I can use this. I can do anything I want, you know, this drum. Okay? After me.
Sorry.
To move your drum like him, you see? That will be great so you can produce that bass sound. That's why you see I put mine on a stand. When I perform, we put 2 mics to produce this bass. Because I can use it as a drum kit to play, for example, funk rhythm. I can do this. You see, I'm using bass and at the same time medium as well to produce snare drum. Okay, the last sound I wanted to show you is called slap. Slap is dry sound. Some people they use slap on the djembe like this, but my own style, the way I learned to play drum naturally, I use a bass slap that create this sound. Bass, medium, and slap. Someone may show you different thing how to use it. You see? You can do that. Okay, can you try slap for me, please? This part here, this, yeah. Hold on. Okay, that's good. So, remember, your right hand and left hand must produce the same pitch. Do you understand? When you play like this, play the same. See, try to produce the same pitch. So what we're gonna do is very simple. The rhythm is gonna be fun and amuse a bit, you know. You can enjoy it. And that's rumba. Dum. That's the rhythm. If you can say it, play it with your mouth, that means you can play it with your hands. Some people say, no, I can't play, it's difficult. No, say it. If you can say, cup of tea, sandwich, sausages, cup of tea, sandwich, sausages, you can play it. Say the rhythm, doom. Imagine straight and where is doom, it's the bass. Perca, that means the medium. This is the rhythm we're going along. Rumba. And then it's going to change to sukus. Sukus is quite simple. Simple. Alright, let's start with the rumba. My counting is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, let's try. You play together. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. You repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You repeat it with. You play the bass. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Just with this, I can fit already my song I created. Okay. Let's just play that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bakende kebo kila kobo mabano. Ekomingo ngamuna ibazonga kata. Bakende kebo kila kobo mabano. Ekomingo ngamuna ibazonga kata. Nice and sweet, you see? Let's try now to build the rumba. Let's get the medium. It's gonna be like this. You're gonna answer pakan. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Keep going. 1, 2, 3. Bakende kila koboma. E coming up mola ibazonga. Bakende kila koboma. E coming mola ibazonga. Nice and sweet. Okay, we're gonna do bass and medium. Yeah, all together. That's 2, 3, 2, go on. Bakende la koboma. E coming na ibazonga. Bakende la koboma. E coming na ibazonga. Fantastic. But now a little hard part, you know, this how to add slap and some ghost notes. That means when you play, you can have a couple of things running on the back. For example, I can do like this. If I wanna add ghost notes, it's gonna be like this. Can you can you hear something, yeah? Making like you're shaking like chaka chaka chaka, making you wanna move, you know? It's like you're cooking and you make your sauce nice, tasty great. It's the same thing with the drum. Something like that. Can you do this now? We can add some break. When I say again, 1, 2, 3, we break. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Dun, 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 dun. So we break like that on the rumba, on the music. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Fantastic, that's great, yeah? Okay, now let's get now the fast parts, yeah? We call it sukus. Can you just do this? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, stop. It's gonna be like this. So much. Thank you very much.